How to delete your email account from your Outlook on computer. If you're using your PC, that you can delete your Outlook account or email account easily. So there is a server way you can delete your account. So in Outlook, as you know, this is Outlook is an application from Microsoft. So if you configure any email ID in your Outlook, that means there is a offline data created in your computer space, which called PST file and OST file. OST file is a Outlook file, and PST file which we can back up this PST file, and you can use this PST file to the another computer or another Outlook. So it is like backup. So I'll show you what we can do in Outlook. So if you have open your Outlook, so you can delete from here also. So come to the file, go to the accounts, go to the account setting. So this is my email ID. Okay, so I can delete my email ID, so it can be removed from my Outlook. But here you can see, as I told you, there is a PST file of every email ID, so it is created to your computer space. So if you go to the open the file location, just okay, it is already opened. So here you can see there is a PST file of every email ID, which is uh, backup, or you can say offline file in Outlook. So it is OST file, which is Outlook file. If you want to backup, you have to export the data, so it will be create PST file. Okay, so you can see I have three email ID here, which is OST file and the PST file. I have PST file. So if you want to remove account, just hit the account and remove from here. Just click remove, it will be removed. And if you want to completely remove data, then you have to remove from the OST file. You have to remove OST from also. From here you have to remove the OST file. Okay, so this is complete remove. Just select the email ID and remove. This is the one step. And if you are not able to open the Outlook and you want to remove the account, that also you can do. Just go to the control panel, and here you have to switch with the small icon, and just click on my this is mail, Microsoft Outlook, or you can search here. Just enter the mail, then this mail will become, just double click on it. So now you can see the email account. Just click on it, the same window will be open. Now you can delete from here. You can also delete PST file from here. Just open the location or remove from here. Okay, so okay, you can remove account from here. And this is a data file which create offline data file of particular email ID. You can remove from here. And this is a data file location which I show you. And this is a Outlook profile. You can also delete Outlook profile. It is only profile, it will be not delete your account and PST file. When you delete profile from here, then you have to when you open Outlook, then the Outlook asks the new profile name, then you have to enter the profile name. Then you can enter, you have to, then it asks for the account setup. Then you have to enter the same email ID. If you enter the same email ID, then it will be set up automatically, because PST file there and OST file also there. And you can also set up the new email ID if you want, but it is only profile name of Outlook. If you remove from here, it will be not remove your account or data file. Okay, so that is how you can remove the Outlook account email ID from Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.